I traveled here by train, and that I'm doing because I've stopped flying because of climate reasons.
I wanted to be able for everyone to travel in Europe by train and not by plane, because that's just crazy when you want to take a train and it's just like way more expensive than a plane, and that's just telling people to go pollute. And we cannot continue living in a society that tells us to take the plane, that encourage us to pollute.
The trip here took about 32 hours, I think, from Stockholm to Davos.